Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to use Trello, one of the easiest and most powerful productivity tools out there. Whether you are whether you are a student, a content creator, or working with a team, Trello can help you organize, plan, and track tasks like a pro. So, if you want to go from zero to Trello expert in just 8 minutes, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. So, what exactly is Trello? Trello is a free web based project management tool that uses a simple drag and drop card system. You organize your work on boards which have lists, and each list contains cards. It's like a digital version of sticky notes on a whiteboard. You can use Trello for task management, content planning, study schedules, team projects, and so much more. Let's start by creating your first board. Go to Trello.com and sign up with your credentials. Click here and enter your email address, then click sign up. It's free. If you have already an account, just click login and enter your credentials or continue with your Google account, Microsoft, Slack, Apple, etc. Once you are in, you, you are on your dashboard, just click on Boards tab. Now click Create, then Create Board. Give your board a name, for example, YouTube content plan or study schedule. Choose a background color or image from here. Click Create Board and you are in. And just like that, you have got your own workspace. Now inside the board, you will see lists like that. You can add list. There are vertical columns. Common list names are Dodo for upcoming tasks, doing what you are currently working on, done, complete tasks. You can rename lists, create new ones like ideas in review. Click on Boards tab, then click Add a list like ideas, then click Add list. You can add a card, like enter your link or title here. Just click on Add list or another add list. Name it and press enter. That's it. Each card is a task or item. For example, in a YouTube board, you might have a card called record voiceover for video, voiceover for video. Click click on it, then click the pencil icon. Here you can see you can open card, edit label, change members, change cover, edit dates, etc. This is where the real power of Trello begins. Card name, upload video, then checklist, create thumbnail, write title and description, add tags, publish. You can label with colors like that. Just click on it or rename the color. Like click the pencil icon and title it like create thumbnail. Write a title description, title and description. Now, when you are done, just click edit label and click one, and that's it. Then save. You can move from an ideas from another list, like done. Click on that, and that's it. Invite team members to your board. Just click share icon, then enter your member email address or name like that. Just click on it and select member and share. Trello also offers power-ups which are like plugins, some useful ones, calendar view, Kanban view, Google Drive, Butler, automation, etc. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and comment below what do you plan to use Trello for. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. That's it. You are now ready to manage anything with Trello.